Darrell, we've talked all weekend on FX and on Fox Sports Net about how, okay, one lap for these young guns to hold their breath, but it's going to take an experienced driver run up front here all day. Only one young gun in the top 10 in yesterday's Busch race. But how about rookie Jimmy Johnson? Started fourth, and he's running the top 5.
There we go, Park.
Oh. Park. Gordon gets past to Steve Park, hard in the wall.
We got the right front corner pretty good in the right side of the car.
32 car. Got damage.
Yep, Ricky Craven, the whole front of his car is stove in as Steve Park, the race leader, and Ricky Craven, the pole sitter, crash.
And he was trying to get around Stacy Compton, who was trying to stay on the lead lap in the 14 car.
Yeah, you see the 14 car got his all torn up on the right side. He goes down here underneath him. It's hard to stay underneath a guy. You just got to have that. You need that room to slide up. Compton didn't give it to him, and he didn't do anything wrong. Not that Compton did anything wrong, but you've got to go in there low. You've got to have room to slide up.
Here's a different angle.
See, Steve's going to try to clear him and slide in front of him, but he doesn't quite get there.
Again, we want to stress Stacy Compton was trying to get to the high side of the racetrack. He didn't do anything wrong with the 14 car.
No, that's the problem with this racetrack. There's nowhere to go. You can't get out of the way.
Oh, Jimmy Spencer just got through there.
That's when I'd be hauling at my spotter, because I'm sure the spotter told him to go high. Oh, that's a shame.
It is a shame. There you see Ricky Craven just nowhere to go. Jeff Gordon in the 24. Jimmy Johnson going all the way to the bottom of the racetrack. Pit road will be very busy, Matt Yoakum.